Ty Young Experience.
Hey podcast world, welcome to another podcast in the Ty Young Experience. Today we will be welcoming another special guest today, Chase Steelatoe and Grady Ruff.
Thank you so much for this opportunity to be on your show.
Yes, you're very welcome.
Today we will talk about DNA. We have two biology big ideas here today. Information in genes is transmitted across generations via DNA.
Oh wowzers, mister. I actually happen to know the other one. DNA segments contain information for the production of proteins necessary for the growth and function of cells. Is that right?
Yes, it is. Good job.
So what else? How does DNA work?
Well, the gene expresses when transcription, the DNA sequence of a gene is copied to create a messenger RNA. The mRNA gets edited. The next step after that is translated, which is made at the ribosome and in the mRNA gets edited. The next step after that is translation, which is made at the ribosome and in the protein and creates the gene.
You experts tell me more about genes, alleles, and chromosomes?
Chromosomes are one piece of coded DNA. Mom, one dad. Genes are one segment of DNA of a chromosome that codes for a protein. Alleles are different versions of a gene for the same trait.
Yeah, when the genotype equals small ss alleles, the trait is the phenotype. And mutations occur when something changes in the process to a chromosome. For example, one will be chopped or have an extra one.
Could you tell me about homozygous and heterozygous?
Homozygous is when you inherit the same version of the same gene from both parents. Heterozygous is when you inherit different versions of the same gene from different parents.
Phenotype is a complete collection of chromosomes. A pedigree is the chart of the family tree. It shows who had what trait/diseases, etc.
More questions for you, Ty?
No, I think that you have covered a good chunk of it. Thank you for being wonderful guests with Grady and Chase. Tune in for another episode of the Ty Young Experience. Let's go!